Good evening, guys. Tonight I'd like to show you about one product. The cool product is a flashlight for hunter enemies or animal when you like to hunting something. Gonna use this flashlight. Pretty cool stuff. Gonna see here with a zoom mode and free LED, smart chip, and SOS beacon. A novel system and zoom. It's a when you rain super bright. It's a saving mode. System zoom, aerospace, aluminum compression and lower. And so here, this is the stop. This is the charger for the battery. It's a king stick. I don't know what it's for. And it's the battery. It's the battery. It is the battery. Gonna check here. It is the lantern. The flashlight. So you can check here. Let's open it. Let's put the battery here.
Kenapa Gandari belum melahirkan juga? Berdasarkan dari pembintangan, aku bisa katakan bahwa ini adalah waktunya bagi Hastinapura diberkati oleh pewarisnya. Pada saat ini saja, posisi dari planet-planet sangat jelas, dan lahirnya sang anak akan jadi pengikut kebenaran intelektual, dan dia akan jadi penganut keadilan. Di satu sisi kau bilang bahwa seorang anak akan segera lahir dari Gandari, dan di sisi lain kau tidak bisa memberikan alasan kenapa Gandari belum lahirkan juga. Kalau kau benar ambil permintaan dan katakan apa alasannya dari kejadian ini.
Ready to start it? Okay. Let's check the light here. Just like this. And you can see we can make it smaller or bigger. See that? It's pretty cool stuff for you when you like to hunting something. So just like this. Put it out. Push it. And take it. Okay, thank you very much for watching me, and I hope you enjoy with my review. When you need something to buy something at a cheaper product in Indonesia, it's around it's only 125,000 rupiah, so it's like 12 just like a 12,000 around $13 rupiah, not thousand, $13 American dollar. It's pretty cool stuff. Thank you very much for watching. See you.